Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're gonna see what is SQL and why is it important for data analysis. So have you ever feel like your data is very messy in your spreadsheets, right? So like here, if you are not aware of SQL, then for some data will look messy, numbers everywhere, columns everywhere, missing columns, random information in the wrong place. Yeah, data can be scary. This is where SQL comes into the picture. Okay. So SQL stands for Structured Query Language, basically a superpower that lets you talk to your data and get exactly what you need. Like if we have some employees data and you want to see all employees earning over 4,000, like this John. Let me get back to that sheet, John. Then there's Jane Smith. If you want to see all employees who are earning over 4,000, then by using SQL, you can check that. Likewise, if we have sales data and you need the top selling product last month, then SQL comes into picture. Curious about the average revenue, then SQL comes into the picture. For a data analyst, SQL is everything. Without it, you were just flipping through endless spreadsheets like a lost squirrel. With SQL, you can clean data, you can sort data, you can filter data, and you can analyze data in just seconds, making you look like a data superhero. Okay, so if you want to answer these few of the questions like which product sold the most last month, who are my top 10 customers, how many people visited my website yesterday. So all these questions can be answered by using SQL and you can answer those questions in just seconds. Okay, so as I said, for data analysts, SQL is everything. So if you want to understand data, answer questions fast, and actually impress people or your client, then learn SQL. Your spreadsheets will finally make sense and your career will thank you later.